Good morning class. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss the next point in a string, that is changing the case of string by using lowercase and uppercase method, and finding out Unicode of character by using char code at method and the from char code method and their examples. Our second chapter, that is array function and string, already started, and in a previous lecture we studied the retrieving a position of character in a string by using index of method and the last index of method, as well as we learn the search method. In index of method or this method search and return the index number of a character or a substring within a string, and the last index of method, it returns the index number of last occurrence of a character or substring within a string, and the search method searches the string for a specified value and returns the position of a position if it is matched. Suppose it is found, then it returns the position of that character or a string. This is all about our previous lecture's point. That is, in previous lecture we studied last index of and the search method. Now in this lecture we studied the changing the case of string, that is by using lowercase uppercase method, and the next finding the Unicode of character by using char code at method and from char code method. First point is changing the case of string. JavaScript provides two helpful functions for converting text to uppercase and lowercase, that is to uppercase function or to lowercase function. To uppercase function, in that function or this function will return the string with all its character converted to uppercase, or the to uppercase method converts a string to uppercase letter. It converts a given string to a uppercase letter. Note that the uppercase letter or a method does not change the original string. Syntax of this uppercase letter or method is that string dot to uppercase. Example of this uppercase method is convert the string to uppercase letter. Here one variable is there, that is string str is a variable, and assigning hello world string to that variable str, and in a res function in res variable we store the uppercase method's result, that is str dot to uppercase. It returns hello world in a uppercase letters. So the output of this is hello world with the uppercase letter. Let us see one example to display all characters from a string in a uppercase letter. First of all, take a notepad, and in a notepad write HTML tag. After that write a head tag. After that take a title in a head tag and give a title as a uppercase. I am taking a title as a uppercase. Close the title tag. After closing a title tag, open a script tag. Open a body tag, and in that write a script tag. And in a script tag, first of all take one variable. Here I am taking one variable, that is str, and assigning a string. Here I am assigning welcome to JavaScript as a string. And print the result by using write method. Here result is equal to str dot to uppercase to write you in a capital letter and case also in a uppercase letter. This is the syntax of uppercase letter, that is string dot to uppercase, and close the write method. After closing write method, close the script tag, close the body tag and close HTML tag. Save this file with the extension .html. In this program, I am creating one variable, that is str, and assigning to that variable welcome to JavaScript as a string. And by using write method, we print the output, that is result is equal to str dot to uppercase method. It returns welcome to JavaScript in a uppercase letter. Let us see the output of this program. This is the output of our program. Welcome to JavaScript, it returns in a uppercase letter. Next point is a to lowercase method. This method or this function will returns the string with all its characters converted to the lowercase letter, or the to lowercase method converts a string to lowercase letters. To string case method does not change the original string. And the syntax of to lowercase method is that string dot to lowercase method. Example, suppose convert the string to two lowercase letters. Here in this example, I am taking one variable, that is str, and assigning hello world to that str, and in a result that is res variable, we stores the two lowercase methods result, that is str dot to lowercase method. It returns the hello world in a lowercase letters, means it returns the string with all its characters converted to the lowercase letters. Let us see one example to display the all character from a string in a lowercase letter. First of all, take a notepad. As usual, in a notepad, take a HTML tag, take a head tag, and in a head tag, write a title tag. I am giving title as a lowercase. Close the title tag and close the head tag. Open a body tag, and in that body tag write a script tag, and in a script tag I am taking one variable, that is var str is equal to, suppose here I am taking welcome to JavaScript. I am taking this string to assigning this string to str variable, that is welcome to JavaScript. And here by using write method, document.write, I am printing this result on a web page, that is result of lowercase is equal to str dot to lowercase Close the method, close the write method, and close the script tag and close the HTML tag. Save this file with the name. Here I am taking the name lowercase.html. Here in this example, I am taking one variable that is str and assigning welcome to JavaScript as a string to that str. After assigning a string, I am printing by using write method. I am printing the result of lowercase is equal to and assigning str, that is welcome to JavaScript, to lowercase. Means welcome to JavaScript is converted into the lowercase later. Let us see the output of this program. This is the output of our program. Result of lowercase is equal to welcome to JavaScript. All these strings are converted into the lowercase. Here in this example, I am taking welcome to JavaScript, welcome in uppercase letter, to also in uppercase letter, and JavaScript in that S is in a uppercase letter. It returns all these strings or all the characters in a lowercase letter. This is the output of our lowercase letters method. Next point is the finding a Unicode of character. In that we use two methods, that is charcode at method and the from charcode method. Explain the charcode at method and the from charcode method with the example. This question will ask in a exam. A computer understands only the numbers and characters. So that Unicode is a standard that assigns a number to every character and number and symbol that can be displayed on a computer screen, including the characters and symbols that are used in all languages. You might need to know the Unicode number of a character or a character that is assigned to a specific Unicode number, and you can determine the Unicode number or the character that is associated with the Unicode number by using the charcode at method and from charcode method. Both are the string object methods. These are the string object methods. In that, first of all is the charcode at method. The JavaScript string, that is charcode at method, is used to find out the Unicode value of a character. It finds out the Unicode value of a character at the specified index in a string. At the specified index in a string, so that in the syntax, let's see, string dot charcode at, here we pass a index and returning a result as a Unicode value of that character. The index number starts from 0 and goes to n-1, where n is the length of a string, and it returns NaN, means not a number if the given index number is either negative number or it is greater than or equal to the length of string. Suppose here as an index if you pass as a number as a negative number or greater than or equal to the length of a string, it returns the NaN as a result, means it is not a number. Here this is the syntax of a charcode at method, that string dot charcode at index, and index it is represent the position of that character. It returns a Unicode value. The example of this Unicode character or a charcode at method is that it returns the Unicode of first character in a string, that is the Unicode value of h, means here passing the 0th index, so that the h Unicode value, it returns the Unicode value of h, that is 72. Here var str, in str hello world is passed to that str or assigning str to hello world. And var n, here in a n variable str.charcode at result is stored, so that it returns the 72, that is the Unicode value of h, because 0th position h is placed, so that it returns the 72. Means the charcode at method is used to find out the Unicode value of a character at the specified index in a string. Or simply you can say that this function returns the Unicode value of a character at a specified position. Let us see example of this method. Code to implement the char code at method. First of all, take a notepad file, and in a notepad file, first of all write HTML tag. After that, take a head tag, and in a head tag write a title and give the title as char code at. Here I am giving a title that is char code at method. Or close the title tag. After closing the title tag, open the body tag. Open the script tag, and in a script tag, first of all take one variable. Here I am taking one variable that is str, and in a str pass one string. Here I am passing the hello world as a string. After that, by using write method, we display the result term. First of all, I am passing the Unicode is equal to plus str dot char code. Write a C in a uppercase letter and A also in a uppercase letter. Char code at, here I am passing the position of or index as a parameter. Here I am passing a 0, and at the 0th position h is a placeholder, so it returns the Unicode of a h value. And here I am writing a break tag. Again I am printing another or returning another Unicode value. Here Unicode is equal to plus str dot char code at. Here I am passing 16, and close this close this write method, close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Here in this example, first of all I am taking one variable and assigning hello world string to that variable. After assigning a variable, I am writing the by using write method, I am displaying one result on a web page, that is str.charcode at the 0th position, whatever the index of a 0 character is there, it returns the Unicode value of that character by using charcode at method. After that, here I am again printing document.write method and again assigning str.charcode at a 16. It returns n because the length of this string is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Length of the string is a 10, and here I am passing a 16, and at that condition it returns the NaN result on a web page. Let us see the output of this program. First of all, here save this file and see the output of this program. This is the output of our program. Here in this program it returns the 72, and after that it returns the NaN. NaN means not a number. Here 16 is the length which is not the length of this string, so that it returns NaN. Here suppose I am taking 1 and save this file and see the output. It returns 101 because the Unicode of a E is 101. This is the charcode at, and charcode at method returns the Unicode value of a character at a specified position. Next point is the from charcode method. The from char code method converts the Unicode value into a characters. It converts the given Unicode value into a characters. And the syntax of a from char code method is that string dot from char code and the n1, n2 up to nx. Means these parameter values, that is n1, n2 and nx, is a required parameter values. It returns one or more Unicode values to be converted. Means it converts the Unicode value, and n1, n2 is a Unicode value which converts into the characters. Example, it converts a Unicode number into a character. Here take one variable, that is res, and here a string dot from char code and 65. Pass a Unicode value, that is 65. And by using document.write, here I am passing a variable, that is res. It returns a. The a Unicode value of a 65 is the Unicode value of a, so that it returns a on a web page. Let us see one program of this char code method to implement the from char code method. First of all, take a notepad and in that write first of all HTML. Same, after HTML open a head tag, and in a head tag write a title tag. Here I am taking a title from char code as a title. From char code as a title, close the title tag. After closing a title tag, open the body tag, and in a body tag write a script tag. And in a script tag, first of all, take one variable. Here I am taking one variable, or without variable you can write here only document dot write. Here in a write method, by using write method, here I am passing Unicode is equal to plus string dot from char code. Write from in lowercase letter, C in a uppercase letter, and also second C in a uppercase letter. And here passing one character Unicode value, that is 65. Here I am passing 65. Again I am taking a break tag because I am writing a new line or another write method, so that I am taking a break tag because result is printed on a new line, so that I am taking break tag. Again here I am passing Unicode is equal to plus write S also in a uppercase letter, string dot from in a lowercase, yet C in uppercase, also C in a uppercase letter. And here I am passing the values, that is 70, Unicode value 70, 71, 72 and 73. Here you can pass number of Unicode values, and close the from char code method and close the write method. Again close the script tag. After that close the body tag and close the HTML tag. In this program, first of all, I am printing by using write method, that is from char code 65, and string dot from char code 70, 71, 72 and 73 on in a from char code method, passing the parameters as a 70, 71, 72 and 73. Save this file with HTML extension. And see the output of this program. This is the output of our program, that is A and FGH. In a program we write, let us see, In a program, we write 65 Unicode number and passing a parameter 65 in a from char code at method so that it returns A on a web page. Because this method converts a given Unicode number into a character. It converts the given Unicode number into the character so that it returns the A on a web page. Again I am passing 70, 71, 72 and 73 on a from char code method so that it returns F, G, H, I. Here suppose I am passing only 2 parameters. Save this file and see the output. It return only high because 72 and 73 Unicode value of H and I characters so that it returns high on a web page. Means this method converts a given Unicode number into a character. This is the all about our today's lecture's point. In today's lecture, we learn first of all changing the case of string by using 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase method. After that, we learn the finding a Unicode of a character by using char code at method and the from char code method. A char code at method returns the Unicode value. Remember that char code method returns the Unicode value of a character at the specified position. Here in this method you can pass the indexer or position, a specified position or indexer as a parameter, and in a from char code method you pass the Unicode value and it returns the Unicode number into a character. Means the convert a given Unicode number into a character. This is all about our today's lecture's point. Thank you.